Hey folks, Mike Rowe here. It's always a pleasure to take you along on these incredible journeys. Remember when we last visited that amazing farm? The one that left us all in awe with its beauty and the dedication of the people working there. They were working hard, getting their hands dirty, planting seeds that would eventually grow into the food that nourishes us all. It was inspiring to see their dedication to feeding the community. The smiles on their faces as they harvested the crops were a testament to their passion and commitment. It's been a while since that visit, and you know, I love checking in on hard-working folks. There's something truly special about seeing the fruits of their labour and the progress they've made. So let's head back and see what's new. The farm has gone through the seasons, each bringing its own set of challenges and rewards. Farming is tough work, but these folks are always up for a challenge. Whether it's the scorching sun or the biting cold, they face it all with unwavering determination. They're always looking for ways to improve, to do things better and smarter. Innovation is key in farming, and these farmers are at the forefront, using the latest equipment and techniques to enhance their productivity. And let me tell you, they've been busy. From planting to harvesting and now packaging fresh produce for the market, their hard work never stops. It's a continuous cycle of dedication and effort. But it's not just about the work in the fields. These farmers are also deeply involved in their community. They attend meetings, share knowledge, and support each other in countless ways. They even take the time to educate the next generation. Seeing children learn about farming and where their food comes from is truly heartwarming. It's a reminder of the importance of passing down knowledge and traditions. And let's not forget the celebrations. After a successful harvest, there's nothing like a community feast to bring everyone together. It's a time to relax, enjoy the fruits of their labour and strengthen the bonds that make their community so special. I've had the privilege of sitting with these farmers, sharing stories and laughter. Their resilience, optimism and sense of community are truly inspiring. As the sun sets over the farm, the work continues. It's a never-ending cycle, but one that these farmers embrace with open arms. Their dedication is a testament to the human spirit and the power of hard work. So here's to the farmers, the unsung heroes who work tirelessly to feed us all. Until next time, keep working hard and stay inspired. This is Mike Rowe, signing off. The first thing you notice is the greenhouse. It's brand new, sparkling in the sunlight. Inside, rows of seedlings stand tall and strong, soaking up the warmth. This greenhouse is a game changer. It lets them get a head start on the season. Next to the greenhouse, there's a brand new irrigation system. No more dragging hoses around. This system delivers water directly to the plants right where they need it. Talk about efficient. Now here's where things get really interesting. They've got this cool new piece of technology. It's a drone, but not the kind that takes pictures. This drone is a high-tech farming assistant. This drone can scan the entire field. It tells them exactly where the crops need help. Too much water, not enough nutrients, the drone knows. These changes might seem small, but they make a big difference. The new greenhouse means they can grow more food, even when the weather isn't cooperating. The smart irrigation system saves water, and that's good for everyone. And that high-tech drone, it helps them use just the right amount of fertilizer. That means healthier crops and less waste. It's a win-win. Section 5. Overcoming challenges, growing stronger. In the journey of innovation and progress, challenges are inevitable. They are the stepping stones that lead to growth and resilience. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. The farmers faced numerous obstacles that tested their determination and resolve. There were moments of frustration and doubt. They hit a few bumps in the road, sometimes quite literally. The tractor getting stuck in the mud was just one of the many physical challenges they encountered. Learning to use that fancy drone wasn't easy. The technology was new and unfamiliar, and mastering it required a lot of trial and error. There were days when it seemed like the drone had a mind of its own. It took some time and patience to get the hang of it. The farmers spent countless hours practicing, refining their skills, and learning from their mistakes. Each flight brought them closer to proficiency. And remember that new irrigation system? It was supposed to be the solution to their water management problems. But the installation process was far more complex than they had anticipated. Well, it turns out installing it was a bigger job than they expected. The parts were heavy, the instructions were complicated, and the sheer scale of the project was daunting. But you know what? They didn't give up. They faced each challenge head-on. They rolled up their sleeves, figured it out, and got the job done. Through teamwork, perseverance, and a willingness to learn, they overcame every obstacle. Their journey is a testament to the power of resilience and the human spirit's capacity to grow stronger in the face of adversity. Section 6. Mother Nature, our partner in progress. These improvements aren't just good for the farm. They're good for the environment too. Using less water and fertilizer means less waste. And that's good for all of us. They're also using special cover crops to protect the soil. These cover crops help prevent erosion and keep the soil healthy. It's all about working with nature, not against it. Section 7. Sharing the bounty, building community. But here's the best part. All this hard work means more fresh, healthy food for the community. They're partnering with local food banks and markets to make sure everyone has access to good food. And they're not stopping there. They're hosting workshops and farm tours to teach others about sustainable farming practices. They're sharing their knowledge and inspiring the next generation of farmers. Section 8. Learning from the past, sowing for tomorrow. Farming has always been about adapting and innovating. Our ancestors were constantly experimenting, finding new and better ways to grow food. And that spirit of innovation is alive and well on this farm. They're honoring the past while embracing the future. They're proving that progress and tradition can go hand in hand. Section 9. Open gates, open hearts. Visiting this farm is a reminder that we're all connected. The food on our tables, the clothes on our backs, it all starts somewhere. And it's up to all of us to support the hard-working folks who make it happen. So the next time you're enjoying a delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the farmers who made it possible. They're the backbone of our communities and they deserve our gratitude. Section 10. The future is growing. In this chapter, we delve into the heart of modern agriculture, where tradition meets technology. The landscape of farming is evolving, and with it, the promise of a sustainable and prosperous future. As I leave the farm, I'm filled with hope. Hope for a future where innovation and hard work go hand in hand, where the fields are not just places of labor, but of dreams and aspirations. These folks are proof that even in tough times, when the odds seem insurmountable, the spirit of collaboration and resilience shines through. They remind us that no challenge is too great when we stand together. There's always room for innovation, for progress, for a brighter future. From automated tractors to precision farming techniques, the tools of tomorrow are being used today to transform the way we grow our food. They're not afraid to get their hands dirty, to try new things to make a difference. Experimentation is at the core of their success, and it's this willingness to embrace change that sets them apart. And that's a lesson we can all take to heart. Just as these farmers plant seeds with care and patience, we too can sow the seeds of our future, nurturing them with dedication and hard work. Let's all be a little more like these farmers. Let's embrace diversity, work together and support one another. In unity, we find strength, and in strength we find the power to create lasting change. Let's dig in, work hard, and never shy away from the challenges that come our way. The soil beneath our feet is rich with potential, and it's up to us to unlock it and grow something amazing together. From the smallest seed to the tallest crop, every step of the journey is a testament to our collective effort and determination. Until next time, keep those work boots dirty, my friends. Remember, the future is not just something that happens to us, it's something we create with every action, every decision, and every moment of hard work.